not paying much attention to agriculture. Rather, they were interested in only the cotton growing fields. And that's why Maharashtra has also become a developed state as compared to the other states. Now, when we became independent, then the Nehruvian model started working. And Nehruji was of the opinion to have the large industry, industrialization of the economy. So he has started building the steel plants. And those industries came where the raw material was available. Because carrying raw material was much costlier a business.
Immense resource for environment. But why does this challenge comes? It comes because large portion of this youth which is getting educated, which is coming out of our educational institutes, universities, many of them, I would say large portion of them are unemployed. And who is the culprit? They are not the culprit. Culprit is our educational system. We have not visited our education.
Apart from this development, there are questions that is it the type of development UP needs? Is it the type of industrialization which has been experienced by Maharashtra and Gujarat, the most industrialized states of India? Is it the type of development, is it the type of industrialization which modern developed economy that registered or experienced in their history? These are some questions. I am simply highlighting, I don't get too much of time, maybe I will speaking.
What change actually caused to the whole structure of the world. This could be super the cultural economics kind of aspect. And most of the time, and most of the developed and well-ranked universities, they write the first sentence when they write about their syllabus, that economics is a behavioral science. And the second thing they write that this understanding of behavior should emanate from culture. So no economic development, no economic theorization, no economic or theoretical underpinning, you can understand without understanding our culture. तो ये जो हमारा मंदिर है ये कल्चर का रिप्रेजेंटेटिव
बात करूं तो ऑलमोस्ट लाइक 6th century BC से तो हमारे पास साक्ष्य है कि काशी जो था वो बहुत बड़ा एक साम्राज्य था और वहाँ जनपद में था and from like 7th 8th century coming back to like Gupta period and then to 12th 13th century से हमारे पास सारे documents हैं कि archaeological excavations have really proven कि काशी's ghats have already been there. काशी के जो river bank था because of माँ गंगा and Baba Vishwanath, it was already very
always very able to hear you. You very nicely highlighted the key issues of the economy.
August 7th.
Hello.
I am not expert on livelihood and inequality. Because they have used different assumptions about the data and different data sources. Similarly, if you talk about income inequality, you see, again, Piketty and all, they say that this is the world inequality database data. That says that inequality, income inequality again has increased. See, the bottom 50% share has gone down from 19% to 13% from
What I do, I divided my talk in 4 different topics. Not inside the topic, in the 4th part I have divided. So what I do, I first discuss the issues, then I talk about how these issues are addressed, and then there are certain challenges in the issues that in the way of we are addressing these issues, and then how we can overcome the challenge that we are facing while we are addressing these issues through this my research work. So this is the work that I am going to discuss. I will just give you a brief of the methodology. I did a survey of 1,200 farmer households in
This is our target, that by 2047 would like to achieve to be in the ranks of the developed countries of the world. Since morning, we have been discussing whether this is achievable or not. And phenomenon that was working for that larger phenomenon. So, demographic dividend cannot be our objective. हाँ, ये जरूर है कि that we should train and educate our population. This should be an objective. इसमें हम लोग फेल किए हैं, ढंग से फेल किए हैं और
बैठी हुई है। तो 3 पैनलिस्ट हैं, यदि आपकी कोई क्वेरी है तो रमन सर हैं और हमारे अमरनाथ जी हैं और कैंसल सर हैं। यदि आप कुछ क्वेरीज हैं तो जानना चाहिए।
In this second panel discussion session, there was 3 papers. First paper was written by Raman sir. The theme was, this panel discussion was the livelihood issue. The first 2 papers was mainly on the livelihood issue. And the last one was the holistic paper on the issue of the conflict. In the first paper, sir has discussed the 3 major aspects. First, the main paper or the topic, income inequality and livelihood crisis. Sir have tried to touch all the aspects how income influences the inequality.
उस समय के बादशाह के सामने वो एक एक्सपर्ट कमेटी के रूप में प्रोफेसर मित्तल थे और हमको याद है कि प्रोफेसर मित्तल पौधा लगाया आपको वृक्ष बन के आपको फल दे रहा है, इसकी संतोष आपको भी होगा और इसका गौरव हमें भी है। तो ऐसे प्रोफेसर मित्तल का स्वागत करने में सोचिए हमको पीछे भी एक संबंध है, क्योंकि हम और व्यासंकर ये बचपन के लोअर केजी के मित्र हैं। व्यासंकर पीजीए में बहुत बड़ा अध्यक्ष के रूप में भी और मित्र के रूप में, क्योंकि पीएसयू में पब्लिक सेक्टर यूनिट में काम करने वाला व्यक्ति, लेकिन उनका शौक हर शौक तो पूरा नहीं होगा। तेल से सोना भी निकाले और शिक्षक भी बने, तो सोना निकालते रहते हम शिक्षक बन गए। तो उनके शौक को हमेशा हम लोग कन्वर्सेशन से करना चाहिए और नेशनल एजुकेशन पॉलिसी का साथ यही पॉइंट है कि आप शिक्षक ही शिक्षक को न सुने। अब शिक्षक तो पॉलिसी भी फेल होगी, शिक्षा में कोई स्वार्थ झलकेगा और शिक्षा आगे नहीं बढ़ेगा। हमको खुशी है कि हम अपने मित्र को बुलाने में कामयाब हुए। हम आपका स्वागत करते हैं हमारे सभाओं के। अभी हाल में रिटायर हुए, लेकिन विश्वविद्यालय से छूटे नहीं हैं। ये छूटेंगे ना, विश्वविद्यालय छूटेगा। हमको ऐसा आते कोरोना काल में एक बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग बात शिशिर जी बैठे हुए हमारे का स्वागत करते हुए बोलना चाहते हैं, क्योंकि मीडिया जगत पे भी हैं, एक जिसको कि विपदा में अवसर की बात डिलीट किया और प्रोफेसर और उसके सुपरवाइजर इस हैसियत से ये हमारे अल्टीमेट गुरु हुए, इनका हम स्वागत करते हैं। लेकिन जो मिली है, लेकिन ऐसी डिग्री जो सर्वोच्च डिग्री होती है उसकी उपादेयता को न मानते हुए जब काशी गुजारे बंद कराए जब बुलाते हैं दौड़े चले आते हैं। ये उनकी सहजता है, ये उनकी और ये हमारी स्वीकार्यता है कि वो हम लोगों की। और ये विषय उनका ऐसा है जो हम सबका प्रिय है, सस्टेनेबल डेवलपमेंट यानी पर्यावरण, इन्वायरमेंट इकोनॉमिक्स से अगर देश और दुनिया का कोई व्यक्ति आप सर्च करेंगे, मिश्रा के अध्यक्ष हैं, हमें बहुत मानते हैं, इसलिए भी मिश्रा है, वो उड़ीसा का मिश्रा है, बनारस से मिश्रा, तो कोई दूर से मिश्रा नहीं है, लेकिन हमको बहुत मानते हैं, हमारा वो सम्मान करते हैं। मिश्रा जी आए, हम आपको आभार व्यक्त करते हैं और आपको आना ही चाहिए, क्योंकि आप वृहद परिवार के मुखिया हैं। काशी वाले प्रमुख विभाग अगर विश्वविद्यालयों महाविद्यालयों में नहीं जाएगा तो उसका निहितार्थ महामाया खत्म हो जाएगा।
Now, in this paper, I am going to describe what several government schemes like Pradhan Mantri Mudra Yojana, Stand Up India scheme, and many more. The objective of this paper is to study the role of government schemes in women entrepreneurship in India, moving towards the first. We can say that how the size of the economy is increasing day by day. So I have done my study with using the methodology. I have used the secondary data, and it was collected from the Hindu Bulletin and the Ministry of Finance report and the Niti Aayog website. So
presenting a research paper on the topic navigating the gig economy participation, impact on GDP, and pathways to economic security. The gig economy in India has emerged as a crucial contributor to the nation's GDP, driven by the digital transformation and growing demand for flexible work.
Objectives will, you can say, hide your impact, or you can say what you can input or what you can give in that paper, you will not get that. Okay, so always take limited amount of, you can say that limited quantity of objectives, and further just
In same line here, first of all, I want to understand what basically you want to do in this, what we call research work, because your title is very much, like confusion. To ask people,
Yesterday, I think 2 or 3 more are there.
ask people, you have to ask people. So that is why don't write too much of, what's in the title, which move in different directions. Okay, over to you.
निदेश वंडरफुल एफर्ट, अच्छा प्रयास किया आपने, लेकिन यह है कि जो टाइटल्स लेते हैं उसको थोड़ा सा सपोर्टिंग में जस्टिफाई करना होता है, ये तो एक्सपेक्ट करते हैं और कभी कभी हर फैक्टर मतलब जस्टिफाई नहीं होता है, कभी बिकॉज नॉर्मल टारगेट्स में जस्टिफाई नहीं कर पाए। वेरी नाइस एफर्ट, आई अप्रिशिएट योर एफर्ट्स बाय कमिंग आउट दिस काइंड ऑफ पेपर्स, है ना, अच्छा एफर्ट किया आपने, अच्छा सा प्रेजेंट।
There is also underemployment, where people have jobs but aren't working as they need to, or they are working, or they are doing work that does not match their skill. There is underutilization of their skill. Additionally, there is a big gap between different regions, with some areas
influence investment approaches. We found that overconfidence, cost aversion, and hard behavior heavily impacted investment decisions. But these can be mitigated through improved financial literacy. Emotional reactions to market volatility also play a critical role in decision making, emphasizing the need for strategies to enhance emotional resilience.
This means this translated into 53.5% blockage of fund in government securities. But it was not idle. Government was using this fund to cater to the social requirement or to fund their social projects and create infra projects. But when it was said these banks should be given freedom and this will directly lend it to the public, this was reduced, and nowadays CRR is at a level of 4.5% and SLR is at 18% and aggregating to 22.5%. This has given a lot of money or liquidity in the market. After this phase, 2010-24 was characterized by digitization, innovation of technology, adoption of technology, and this UDI, mobile banking.
And vision and the scenario for basic mind. And there is need therefore to focus more on gender equality. Gender equity is achieved only through equal outcomes for women and men, remaining bandwidth and ensuring ownership. This is basically the foundation topic which is relevant and which explains and is dedicated to exploring economic development through inclusive strategies.
तोड़ देंगे, इससे उसकी परिस्थितियों से उसकी जो उसकी बेड़ियां हैं उसको बांधे रखते हैं इस समाज में, उससे बाहर लाने के लिए हमें ज़रूरत है कि हम इस पर विचार करें कि जब हम विकसित भारत में पहुंचेंगे तो उनका स्थिति क्या होगी। यहाँ जो मेरा ये इंटरनेट नहीं काम कर रहा।
Employment, livelihood, and regional development. This is interconnected. And all the papers parallel discussion which were devoted. By and large, they reached on these three theories. I was the listener.
A Viksit Bharat we want to have, and accordingly we should be step by step effort. So I expect Niti Aayog will come with some policy paper